Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to create another profile on your laptop or PC. Alright, so this is especially useful if there are multiple people using your laptop or computer or PC and you don't want them to access yours. So I'm going to show you guys how. Just first go to the Start menu or the Windows. Alright, and look for Settings. If you cannot find it, just simply type in here, Settings. Alright, just go ahead and click that one and the settings should pop up. Then what you want to do next is go to accounts and then scroll down until you see other users. All right, so you can see here that you can add another account and just wait for that to load over here. And they can then use their Microsoft account to log in, or if not, just click this option over here that you don't have their sign in information. Let's go ahead and click that. Just wait for it to load. All right, so you can either create a new Microsoft account for them or add a user without a Microsoft account. All right, so let's just do this one over here. Just type in whatever name they want. All right, name and just re-enter their password. All right, so upon clicking next, you can then go ahead and go here to your profile. And there should be an option here that says change your user. And then you can go ahead and use their profile instead of yours.